Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs.
So, because of past hurt, things that people have done to you, and you know what, Pisces, time out, because I'm starting to remember y'all readings again. So, if this is the ex, y'all need to let them go, because I'm tired. And I know y'all are tired, but I'm tired, okay? Because I really want to see you guys happy. I really, listen, I'm trying, okay? I'm trying to manifest, but I can only work with the energy that y'all are giving me. So, y'all need to decide what y'all want, okay? Do you want this ex, or do you want something new, okay? But Spirit is saying it is safe for you to love, and if this is someone new coming in, there's gonna be a lot of passion here. I hope it's somebody new. Because, like, for real, I'm remembering y'all readings, and I ain't feeling it. And we not doing this on Easter. I told you I got all springy, okay? Let's get this together. Y'all see my nails? I'm springy. I'm happy. We're not doing this today, Pisces. We're not doing it. All right. Anyway, we're not doing this, Pisces. It's either somebody... What is happening with my cards? It's either somebody wants to come back to put in the work, and or you guys just, y'all done. So I'm hoping it's that y'all are done if this is the ex. So, you know, Pisces, you know, I'm a positive person, but I'm positively letting y'all know that ex gotta go. If the last couple of readings been resonating, let that person go, please. Thank you. Love you. All right, anyway, here we go. Second half. Alright, here we go. So, bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Pentacles reversed. So, this is telling me that somebody has made a decision. Alright, let's see. Nine of Pentacles did try to come out, which is telling me that if you guys were in a commitment or a relationship, you guys freed yourself because, you know, you guys are single now. Maybe this is someone wanting to come back and tell you this. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Tell me about the Queen of Wands reverse. This could be you guys just not being positive. Didn't I tell y'all the Nine of Pentacles was trying to come out? So, you guys basically were not positive about the situation with the person that you were dealing with in the past. And it's like I was just saying, you had to free yourself. You became single. You had to get out of that situation because it was just no good. Maybe some of you guys did find out that somebody was interfering within the commitment that you had with this individual, whether it was another man, woman, family member, could have been a mother, but somebody was definitely interfering. I feel like you guys just had to let this person go and you removed yourself. Thank you. All right. But somebody feels like things are just moving slow. Tell me more. All right. So somebody's mother was definitely involved here. I don't know if it's like your mother, his or her mother, the child's mother. There's some type of mother figure here. This also could be that you guys are just upset because of the way things were playing out, because this definitely is you. You could be dealing with another water sign, another Pisces like yourself, a Cancer, or a Scorpio. But it looks like you guys made a decision. Tell me more. You're not worried about it. Okay. So it's like the way things played out, you had to remove yourself from this person because the situation was just toxic. It just wasn't good for your benefit. And even though you're upset about it because you really do love and care about this person, you're like, no, I have to put me first. So you made the decision, and I feel like you guys are just walking away. You're not frustrated about it. You're not really thinking about it too much. Yeah, see, some of you guys felt stuck in a situation with this person that you were dealing with, and it's like now you're speaking your mind. Now you're freeing yourself from the situation. Yep, you removed yourself out of this third-party situation. Yes, Pisces. That's what I want to see. Come on. All right, but... oh, hell. All right, so, so it could be that either, even though you walked away from this person, for some of you guys, you have not 100% truly walked away from this person. Y'all at about 95, okay? Yeah, 95%. Some of y'all still got 5% left and you ain't walked away from this person yet. For others of you, you definitely could have 100% walked away from this person. You removed yourself. You're done. But the person that you walked away from, they do not want you to walk away from them. But somebody needs to make a decision, whether it's you or this other individual. This can go vice versa. Take it for however it fits for you. Let's see. Okay, somebody's dealing with a Virgo here. If not, this was a lesson for you, Pisces. I feel like you guys had to do some soul searching to, to kind of just take a look at the situation to see what's going on. And that's why you guys had to leave. You guys had to walk away. So again, you made a decision. Oh, Four of Pentacles tried to jump out, but it didn't. But it was coming out reverse. So it's like you guys just didn't see anything improving in this relationship. And see, with Death in reverse, you guys don't see a new beginning here. Could be dealing with the Scorpio. So let's just see. Yep. You guys aren't really communicating with this person. I feel like you've been backing away from this individual. Or maybe for some of you guys, maybe this person was backing away from you. Tell me more. No. You guys basically are cutting off communication. Because it's just to the point where this person repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back. And it's like you're over it. You realize that there was no balance in the situation. I told y'all this Four of Pentacles was trying to come out. And it was reversed. Dang, I'm good. Okay, anyway. So, it's like you guys are tired of getting stabbed in the back. You guys were putting in all the work in the relationship, or when you guys were dating, whatever was going on, and you're realizing like it's not worth it. Things were not improving. Somebody's money could have been suffering because of it. Like if this person just was lacking someone, you were giving, whether it's materialistic speaking or just emotionally speaking, you were just doing too much, and it was becoming draining on you. And so now it's like by you basically removing yourself, you're realizing what happened. This person is trying to come back to give you an offer. I wish y'all could see my faces. It's all scrunged up right now. Like, Okay, so with the Star in reverse, some of you guys could have been dealing with an Aquarius, but it's like you guys just don't have hope in this situation anymore. You're like, no. So, see, it's like you guys were like, remember I told y'all were feeling stuck? Some of you guys could have been confused, like, what do I do? Or some of you guys knew what to do, but you just didn't make the move. Now, I feel like you guys are taking it day by day. You're getting stronger, and you're making the move to walk away. Because, see, with this person that you were dealing with, they had other options. There were things about this person that you just didn't care for. And see, this is why you had to remove yourself out of this situation, because you really felt like things were not improving. And I do feel like at one point you saw yourself having a family with this person. You saw yourself having wish fulfillment with them. But because they could have possibly put you in some type of third-party situation, you're like, no, I'm not doing this. And see, with the Chariot here, the way it came out, you guys could have been dealing with the Cancer. But if not, it's like you guys know that you need to move forward. You need to move away from this person. But at the same time, some of you guys were not making a move. And that's the problem, because it's like you guys can have children with this person. Some of you guys could be married to this person. Or it's just you really wanted to have a marriage or just be with this person. You saw it all. But that's why there was like a lot of hesitation here. Tell me more. Yeah, but see, you guys are deciding not to put in the work anymore. You're no longer putting in the hard work to try to fix things with this individual. There's going to be a breakup. If you have not broken up with this person yet, there's definitely going to be a breakup here between the two of you. Because you're realizing that there's no balance here between the two of you. Somebody is worried about money, so that could have been another reason why there was a holdup for some of you guys walking away from this person, because for some, it's not everybody, but for some of you guys, this person could have been helping you out financially, and you're like, okay, well, maybe I was the one dependent on this person, or, I had this going on, this person helped me out, so let me try to get my stuff together, and that's kind of why some of you guys stayed. But regardless, y'all are like, you know what, this is not even worth it, and if I take this leap out on faith, I feel like God got me, or the universe has me, whoever you believe in, they have your back. But they're saying you're not being positive about it. Somebody's definitely dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And I feel like, honestly, Pisces, this is your energy. I feel like you guys are taking a stand. You guys now know what you need to do. But some of you guys are frustrated. You are worried, whether it's because of money, whether it's because you have to separate the kids, some type of family situation. It is bothering you. I do feel like for others of you, this is the person that messed up because they were being a player in the past. And now it's like they want to come back towards you to try to work this out, to fix it. But see, now they can't sleep because they're frustrated. You're going to go to hell off on them, And it's like your guard is up. You're tired of the nonsense. You could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but the Tower's here. There was some type of, the universe stepped in. Something came crashing down. Clarify the Tower, please. So for the person that messed up, something was shown to them. Something happened on their end, because see, now they're coming back to try to give you an offer. But see, they know that they left you out in the cold. You know that they left you out in the cold. And they feel like they want to start over with you. They want to build something with you, but they feel like you're moving away from them and you're starting on a new path. See? They feel like they're not going to have a commitment with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. If you guys are married, somebody could be thinking about getting out of a marriage. It could just be getting out of a commitment, but they feel like, you know, they don't want, like, you don't want it anymore. This person definitely wants to see you. They want a new opportunity with you. They're going to come in really, really fast to try to work things out with you. But you have to be careful, because, see, that's that in and out energy. That's that player energy. Because they're moving slow, but there's something that they're not telling you. It's like one minute they want to rush in to work things out, but the next minute they're like, I don't know. Let me see. Tell me more. Yep. Somebody had to get out of a third-party situation, because they got tired of arguing. And it's like they realized that there was no stability. Could have been dealing with an Aries here. But yeah, somebody didn't have a happy home. Whatever they were doing. They feel like they're not going to have a happy home with you. And so now it's just to the point where they feel like they lost you. They definitely feel like they lost you, and now they want to come back to try to balance things out. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius. I also have a Gemini here. But this person definitely, like, loves you. They care about you. They feel like you're it. You're the one. But they cause so much mess that they feel like things are not going to work out in their favor. You're not going to take them back. Could be dealing with another Pisces, but some type of truth is coming out. Pisces, maybe you're letting this person know that you don't want a new beginning with them. They could just be scared that they're not going to have this new beginning with you. Yeah, they feel like they're not going to have a victory with you. There's the High Priestess. So somebody's using their intuition at this point. Tell me more. Yeah, somebody's not happy here. Clarify the Sun reverse. Yep, somebody's not happy because, yeah, they were waiting around. It's like somebody was moving snail slow. Somebody's frustrated that they wasted their time is what I'm picking up here. Somebody is worried about their money, but at the same time, see, that's 2 sevens. There was I can't even talk. Oh, my gosh. Sorry, y'all. There was a lot of conflict that was going on between you two, and at the end of the day, you realize this person was being sneaky. They could have been being sneaky about finances. It could have been a situation to where they were just being sneaky with someone else. Maybe they were giving to someone else, but at the end of the day, they want to come back to give you the offer that you deserve. Not next to that card. Ugh. Yeah, I don't trust it, but let's see. Somebody's thinking about the past. Maybe somebody has to give because they have children. But there's an apology here. This person, whoever messed up, they want to come back to apologize. They're just not confident in doing so. And so it's like someone's made a decision. They've been talking to someone that they trust, and they're going to take a leap. They don't want you to look back at the past, but at the end of the day, I feel like there's clarity here. It's like they see something. But at the end of the day, y'all cut this person off. Could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But this person is sad because you did cut them off. I definitely feel like somebody is taking some type of financial hit. See, my codependent card just tried to jump out. See what I'm saying? Somebody could be going through a legal situation. They're trying to get out of it. Could be dealing with the Libra. But somebody's sad. Somebody's sad and they're not speaking their truth. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. This person definitely wants to move forward with you. Tell me more. Yeah, see? The seeds that were planted, they want them to grow, but they're back and forth with the Ten of Pentacles. It's like they want to be with you, but at the same time, it's money involved here. So somebody's just not content with their finances. And it's also due to some type of third party. This is why things weren't improving between the two of you. you guys let it go. Y'all drop the situation because it's like y'all are tired. Y'all are done. You're no longer frustrated about it because it's like you want your new beginning. You want a new beginning, and it's more so up for me. I feel like there is an offer coming in for you. Tell me more. But somebody is having a hard time. Okay, so this is, oh Lord. All right, y'all. It's the person that messed up. So they're going to try to come back to give you this offer here. Again, it could be done with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. I do have a Leo here. They're having a hard time giving you this offer because they know that they messed up. They know that you don't trust them at all. And they're, let me see. They're just trying to have the strength to come back and do it. Well, let's see. See, there's the King and Queen of Pentacles. Definitely a soulmate situation here, but it's just a lot of focus on money. And this is why you guys had to remove yourself from a toxic situation in order for the universe to bring you someone else in that can give you the Ace of Cups, to give you the offer that you want. For others of you, this is saying that the person that messed up, this could be your person, and they were in some type of toxic situation. And so now it's like they have to walk away from it because it's like, I feel like they look at you like a blessing, and they now realize how much you mean to them, even if they've done some effed up stuff in the past, which, you know, I ain't excusing that. But they basically want to come back in because they're going to remove themselves from whatever situation that they had themselves in order to give you this offer. And it is a secure offer. So, Pisces, leave me some comments, please. Because y'all know I'm ready for May. Yeah, we got to see how this one plays out. But let me know if this is resonating for you guys. All right, Pisces, I love you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. See you soon. Bye. See you soon. Bye. See you soon. Bye.